do the back row on this. Wow. See what the airtime's like on the back. Front row was insane. But here we go. All right, y'all ready? Let's do it. Hold on. The back row's pretty good too. The back row's pretty good. He went out. He passed. Oh man, dude passed out. You gotta love when people pass out on this.
That was good.
All right, guys.
Awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome.